Hello, my name is Elena Butler, and this is a tutorial on Pixton. Pixton is a web-based app that provides a variety of innovative opportunities to create unique stories and enhance writing through digital comics. This is a resource that allows educators, students, parents, and businesses to create comics that can be used for the use of learning, to show understanding, and to make storyboards. Pixton can be accessed through Pixton.com, and you can type that into your web browser, and this will be the homepage that comes up. I like that Pixton is very inclusive to many cultures and different backgrounds, so they even include languages like French and Spanish. So to create an account, you will click sign up, and you'll have the option of student, educator, parent, or business. I'm going to click on educator, and you can create your account through Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, and I'm going to use Google to do that. So this is what my dashboard looks like. I have the comic builder to build my own comics. I have an avatar maker, my own classroom, so you can see where your students would be. Your lesson ideas, comics school, that way you can learn how to use the comics and how to make them as well. And then there are some principles for graphic organizers for students so they can learn how to make storyboards and use speech bubbles and avatars. And there is an interactive rubric so students understand their goals that they are to meet during their lesson. And I love that it provides many ideas on how to assess students through diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment. So to start our tour of Pixton, I wanted to share the avatar options. Like I said, that this website is very inclusive, so it has a variety of skin tones. It includes people with wheelchairs, students with hearing aids, and also is very inclusive to gender, and even the outfits fit a variety of cultures. So that is a very big plus of Pixton. So to start with my comic builder, you would click here and create now, but I will just show you a comic that I've already started. And this is my builder I have, and she just built a house, and she's walking, and she sees someone, and she sees this person, and I just put them in a pose. So I'll kind of show you how I was able to do that. What's great about this is when you finish a comic, you can download or print them or share them digitally. So when you are creating another comic strip, you can add a panel. When you first start it, your first panel will be up there already, and you can change the backgrounds, the characters, the focus, so how close they would be, the words that they would say, so I can add more words. I can say, like, I can say hello, and she can say hello back to the person. She had said hello to her earlier. And then I can also change her facial expression. So maybe she's a little bit happier because she's meeting someone really nice. And maybe her action is like she's going to do a pose. All right. And then when you're done, you just press done. And normally it will ask you to put a title, but it's already here. So I'm going to press the back button right here and go back to my dashboard. And something else that I like that it's got plenty of lesson plan ideas. They're great for history, they're great for writing, they're great for reading, poetry, shapes, math, all the things. Even has things for animals. They are even very inclusive. Students with autism. One of the lessons I wanted to look at was area and perimeter, and it has the Common Core standards about how long the lesson should be, and it shows an example of a real life situation with Simon and how he is trying to figure out how big to make the fence based on what he knows about perimeter and area. So this can be applied to students, and they can practice using that themselves if they create their own accounts. And students are able to create their own accounts and be a part of their classroom. I do not currently have a classroom right now because I'm just looking at this. And they also provide a variety of ideas for diagnostics right here, informative and summative assessments. So If I want to see where my comics are, I can go right here. I wanted to share that this is only a 7-day free trial. If I decide to upgrade after those, it will be $9.99 per month for just the teacher, with the classroom $24.99. Yearly would be $90.99, $9.99, and the school district would be also has an option to purchase this site for their schools and classrooms. As far as blooms, this has the potential to move to that creative stage where, because students are able to use information to create something new, it just depends on what they're learning and what they are doing with their comics during this time. And as far as the SAMR model, I would say this is more of a modification model, because students are manipulating things, but depending on what they are learning and wanting to